And I think discretion is the better part of valor for those folks because Monday doesn't look very good, does it?
No, it doesn't. We could see widespread snow chances across the state, causing slick spots on the roads, much like what we had this morning. In addition to that, we could see wind chills as cold as -20 on Monday morning as well. So let's go ahead and get right into your 4-1 forecast. I'll start you off, as always, with a look at your almanac numbers for today. We started off at 26, got up to 39 degrees this afternoon, and we had a trace amount of snowfall at the airport. I know a lot of folks saw a lot more than that, but whenever you get that blowing snow, that drifting snow, it's a lot harder to get accumulations. So officially, Oklahoma City had a trace. Woodward and Tangier had 3 inches. That was the highest totals I could find across the state. Temperature-wise right now, it's already cold outside. 21 currently in El Reno. It's 28 here in Oklahoma City. Across the rest of the state, we have a mix of 20s and 30s. It's freezing right now in Ada. When you factor in the winds, this is what it feels like outside. It feels like 17 right now in Enid. It feels like 23 here in Oklahoma City. It's not going to be anywhere near as windy tonight as what I'm tracking today. So that's good, but it's still going to be a cold night. I'll be tracking clearing skies. Overnight winds will be out of the south, about 10 to 20 miles an hour, and overnight lows will be a mix of teens and 20s here across the state. Looks like we'll dip down to 26 degrees here for Oklahoma City. But as you're heading out the door for your early morning commute, wind chills in the morning will be in the teens and they'll be in the 20s. It'll feel like 23 degrees heading out the door tomorrow morning in Oklahoma City. Now for tomorrow afternoon, I want to stress this. I'm tracking sunny skies. We will see some breezy south and southwest winds about 10 to 20 miles an hour, but enjoy the temperatures for tomorrow and enjoy the temperatures for Thursday because we'll see highs in the 50s tomorrow. After that, as we head into next week, we could see highs in the single digits. This is going to feel like a tropical vacation compared to what's coming in the forecast. So here's the next chance of snow. Late Thursday around sunset, I'll be tracking snowfall developing across northwestern Oklahoma. Here for Oklahoma City, most of that snow is going to move in early before sunrise on Friday morning here for central and northern parts of the state. This is going to cause a lot of traffic disruptions, just like what we had this morning. And then by Friday afternoon, most of the snowfall is going to move out. The snow's not going to last very long, but it is going to pack a pretty good punch here as we head throughout the day on Friday. So this is the setup. We'll see a band of snowfall across northwestern Oklahoma, but most of the heavy snow will be for central into eastern parts of the state, including Oklahoma City. The snowfall totals don't look that high, but this time of year, it does not take a lot of snow to cause problems on the roads. So if your winter impacts on Friday, there will be slick spots on roads. There will definitely be slick spots on bridges. Wind chills will be in the single digits, so I'm going to bump that risk up right now. The good news is not much of an ice threat, so the power outage looks low, but I'm also expecting widespread closures on Friday for schools and businesses. And then as we head into the weekend, Sunday, Monday, expecting widespread 2, 3, even 4-inch snowfall totals as we head into early parts of next week. Because of that, we will see slick spots on the roads. We could see dangerous driving conditions on the bridges, and wind chills could be as cold as -30 for some parts of the state. So wind chills, that risk will be extreme as well. There could be some power outage potential because of the cold. And yes, I'm expecting widespread closures for Sunday and Monday, both churches, businesses, and schools here as we head into early next week because Sunday morning we'll see wind chills as cold as -10 here for Oklahoma City. Monday morning we'll see wind chills as cold as -20, and then on Tuesday morning we could see wind chills as cold as -30 across the state. So for that 7-day forecast, lows tonight will dip into the 20s. Wind chills will be in the teens. Highs tomorrow will be in the 50s. Highs on Thursday will be near 60. But once again, enjoy these temperatures because it'll feel like a tropical vacation compared to what we have coming as we head into next week. Tracking snow early on Friday, more snow Sunday and Monday. And then after that, we could see highs in the single digits, lows below 0 for some parts of the state. And then we'll see a little bit of a rebound as we end next week.
Thank you. Up next.